I'm the Waziri in charge of Gender, Youth, Social Services and Disaster Management, County Government of Nyeri. Na sisi ndio tumeandaa Youth Summit. Governor is going to explain on this Youth Summit. For now, Governor, if you allow me, I want to recognize the committee, musimame tu, pale mko, committee that planned this event. My committee, tafadhali, we want to appreciate you. I want to recognize our sponsors that supported this event. We have Cooperative Bank, anasimama tu. We have Tupande 1 Acre. We have Shofco, simama tukushukuru. Kuna Kapei. We have our bronze sponsors, Pioneer Child Development. We have International Institute of Rural Reconstruction. We have Nyawasco, thank you. We have New Fortis Sacco. We have ICT Authority. Safaricom, as I'm calling Safaricom, anataka kumpatia simu. Kindly come here. CTI, Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, Semiconductor, DTB Bank, Kasturi, FK Resorts, watapatia wageni wetu dina leo, National Chambers of Commerce, NTSA, we have Tewasco, Mawasco, Emisha, Abadea Institute, Wakulima Dairy, Red Cross. I want to thank all our partners. This event happened because of you. Wapigiwe makofi tafadhali.
Good morning. In the afternoon, I wanted to check whether we are alive. Sawa. So from Safaricom, we are congratulating Truphena. You've done a historic thing. Umeweka kina mama kwa map na umeweka watu wa Nyeri kwenye map. You've done Kenya proud. Kwa hivyo tutakupatia simu na tablet, and then we will give you 2 months worth of talk time and data. Yeah.
This is DJ Dip.
So hapa kuna simu ya Samsung. There's a Samsung S25 Ultra. Na tablet ya TCL. Na tumtampatia talk time na data for 2 months. Asante sana. Well done. Congratulations.
Thank you very much. Right now, we want to call His Excellency the Governor here. We have a kikao for just 10 minutes. And Wahu is our moderator.
Teacher, we mwalimu wako teacher, haya tunasema ndio maneno ngakora kisi.